In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark videos as watched on YouTube TV, so you can keep track of what you've already seen and organize your viewing history. Let's get started. While YouTube TV doesn't have a direct mark as watched feature like some other platforms, there are still ways to manage your watched content effectively. When you watch a video or show on YouTube TV, the platform automatically tracks your progress and marks it as watched once you've viewed a significant portion of it. You can see this in the Library tab under sections like Continue Watching or Watch History. If you want to manually indicate that you've finished watching something, simply skip to the end of the video or let it play until the credits roll. YouTube TV will then move it out of the Continue Watching section. If you'd like to remove a video from your Continue Watching list without finishing it, navigate to the Library tab and find the video in question. On the web version of YouTube TV, hover over the video thumbnail and look for the three-dot menu or similar option. From there, select Remove from Continue Watching. This will clear it from your list as if it's been fully watched. On mobile apps or smart TVs, the process is similar. Tap the thumbnail to bring up additional options and look for a way to remove it. Another helpful tip is to use the Watch History feature on the main YouTube platform, not YouTube TV, to manage your activity. Sign into your Google account on the YouTube website or app. Go to History and manually clear or edit entries. While this won't directly affect YouTube TV, it helps declutter your overall viewing record. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope marking videos as watched on YouTube TV is now easier for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.